How to link file from Google Drive to Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link file from Google Drive to Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website builder designed to help individuals, small businesses, and organizations create professional-looking websites without needing coding or technical skills. It offers a drag-and-drop editor, hundreds of customizable templates, and built-in tools for web hosting, domain management, and mobile optimization. And it also supports a wide range of website types, including portfolios, blogs, online stores, and booking-based service sites. And now to create an account, just click the login or the get started button on the top right, where you can log in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Once done, you will be directed in here. From here, you can start editing our website first to add the file. Let's say I'm going to choose this website in Wix. Then you will be directed in here. Now to start linking our file from Google Drive, the first thing that we need to do is simply upload first the file in our Google Drive from our computer files. But then in here, I'm going to click add section, in which this is basically where we're going to add the file. Now going back to our Google Drive, from here you can click, for example, this one as an example. I'm going to add here a text by clicking the add elements and choose here this text, such as heading 2 as an example. For instance, I'm going to click or choose here to edit this text. And I'm going to enter here, for example, access the file here. So basically the idea is that we're going to embed the file in here. All you need to do in here is just simply click or highlight selected all of this context. And after that, just click here, this link icon on the top panel. And on the left side panel, just choose web address instead. Then going back to our Google Drive, the next thing that we need to do is simply click these 3 dots or this share button, and in here make sure that the general access is anyone with the link can view. You can click copy button. After successfully copying the link, just simply paste it directly in here and click done to proceed. By doing so, you should be able to see the result. As you can see, it is now being underlined, which means that the link has now been embedded. And now the other way on how you can start embedding the link in here of our file from Google Drive is to simply click or choose the embed code option that we could also get from Google Drive. So all we need to do is simply click add elements on the left side panel, then proceed by clicking the embed code in here. Then just simply go back to our Google Drive, and in here kindly proceed by clicking the 3 dots and choose open with button, and make sure to choose open in new tab, in which this is basically what it looks like. So we can proceed by clicking the file option on the top left corner, then click share button once more, then click this get embed link option to proceed. By doing so, on this pop-up window, all you need to do is simply copy this embed link, then go back to our Wix and choose here this embed HTML. By clicking on it, you should be able to see here that we can add it to our site, then simply paste it directly. After pasting it, you should be able to see here the result by clicking update button. And from here, you can start adding or resizing the file size or the pop-up in here of what it looks like in this widget. So you could also change the location of this context, for example, right here. I'm going to simply resize this one by dragging on the corner of it. So it is basically as simple as that. If you want to make it bigger, you can simply resize it once more. But now, as you can see, we've now successfully embedded the file link in 2 different ways. And now to see what it looks like, we can click the preview button on the top right corner to see it. And upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here this one. It's basically what it looks like. You can scroll down to these documents that we just embedded. While for the other one, which is the link, you can click this access the file here, and you should be directed on this part of the next window where you can see the file. You can now click the publish button to save the changes. But overall, that is just how you can link file from Google Drive to Wix. Thank you.